this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something a little different. You might have never heard of such a thing. This is from Kung Fu Noodle of Taiwan, and this is their spicy duck blood with mung bean noodle soup. And I've had a spicy duck blood before, and it was really good. And it was from Taiwan. Yeah, a lot of people are like really weirded out about blood and stuff. Here's the noodle, and then here is the soup. You don't add anything to it, I don't think. Yeah. No. Okay. We're good. So let's put this in the pot to boil. I don't know why, but this pot of water is taking forever to get going today. I don't get it. So this goes for up to 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it go for 5. And then when there's only 2 minutes left, we're gonna throw this in, and then hoobity, you'll see. But yeah, how's it going for everybody? We're having kind of a crazy time over here. Crazy times. Yeah. So hopefully they will get better. My wife is under the weather right now, so hopefully she will feel better very soon. Yeah. No fun for she. But what's going on? Totally ramped up my walking lately. I did like 4 days in a row doing 10 miles a day. I'm stoked on that. So this is the first day of, what do you call it? Winter break. Or midwinter break. Man, these are filthy. But yeah, there's winter break, which used to be Christmas break, but I don't know. And now we got midwinter break, and then it'll be spring break. Like, when are these guys gonna have summer? Are they gonna have summer at all? I don't know how that works anymore. Okay, I gotta watch this horrible little timer. That's what I should do. I should go on Amazon and spend some time today looking up a new kitchen timer. Cause, I don't know, can you, it's like I'm looking right at it and it's dim. It's very dim. When you turn it on, it's great. But when it's not just turned on and lit up, it's crummy. I'm like looking at it right now. It's right here, and I can't see it at all. You can kind of see it. It's just, it'd be better just to have the gray with the black text on top of it rather than the black with like the kind of gray, darker text. Oh, let's see. Oh, I'll tell you about the package. So we got a package. I should wait till the third one to do that. That one will take longer because this is a weird thing. It's a very weird thing. So in 2 days, there's gonna be an episode all about this weird thing that happened with the package. I don't get it. I don't know how it happened. I have like theories on how this could possibly happen, but I really just don't know. So you'll have to stay tuned. 2 days from now, all will be revealed. So yeah, spicy duck blood noodle. Wow. You know, do I want to use the right bowl for this, and it's using a dark one to make the broth look lighter. I think that's probably a good idea. Let's see, we got that. It's a good dark bowl to use. I could use that one. I don't want to use that one. I'll use this one. I'll use this one. I think this will work better. I was going to use this one. This one's more like my shoyu bowl or my miso bowl. I actually got certain bowls that I use for specific things. funny as it may be, certain bowls just end up being the style and design that are used more often than not for certain things. Ah, crud. Alright, I'm dropping it in. Bubble, bubble, bubble. And the bag is moving back and forth slightly. Oh, it's getting mad. I waited just a little too long, too. It'll be alright. But yeah, it's Monday. My new phone's coming today. So this phone is getting retired. This is my Galaxy S20 Ultra. And I've got a S22 Ultra that'll show up today. And I'm keeping this one too. They had a really good deal if you like traded in your old phone, but man, this thing is so rad. The cameras on this, I was just like, why would I want to get rid of my rad 4K phone? I use that phone to record my top 10 list videos now. It's that good. They're really, really solid pieces of tech, and it doesn't like overheat. Not like this thing. This thing likes to get hot. It's probably, yeah, it's pretty hot already. But this thing, yeah, it's solid. I'm gonna give it another, tell it a minute, and I'll stop it like when there's like 20 seconds left. That should be about right. But yeah, pretty excited about that. I'm excited about getting a new phone, but what I'm not excited about is moving into a new phone. You know what I mean? It's like, you can switch it over with Google, but I don't want to do that exactly. I got games that I play that I have to like back up and copy down all the information so I can take it off of this phone, put it on the other phone, blah. I gotta make sure I have all my freaking passwords in line, that I, you know, have them all memorized and all that crap. Probably just have to like do new passwords for some stuff, but okay, we're good. Let's do this. So we're gonna take bag out, turn off the boil, drain, mean old bean sprouts. Yeah, just do it this way, I think. Here is our zoop, or our noodle. Now we gotta cut the end off of this and pour in our soup. Too loud! Children have had their lunch and now they're watching the televisor and playing with their tablets. Okay, very Szechuan-y. Okay, those are big old pieces of coagulated duck blood that you might have just seen. Don't worry, you'll get to see more of them. Alright. Here we go. Whoa, ho, 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 sucker. Wow, that is a... Ah, crud. I hate these pots. Can you get on the lens? I don't know. I'm going to wash the lens really quick. Hold on. Oh, it's on the platform and everything. Oh, and the sun's coming out. Christ. There's like one little mistake. We'll give the old stove a deep cleaning once it's done. Okay. So yeah, check that out. Let's give it the old 1-2, shall we? So here's the broth. Strong color. God, that's rich. That's a pretty good one. A little bit of a bitter back, I will say. Let's try the mung bean noodle. If I can grab some of these. Oh my God, that's so rich. It's a little bit of spicy, not extremely spicy. And let's grab some of this duck blood. I want to try this out really bad. Oh yeah, that is duck blood. Aw, come on. Be kind. There you go. Alright, almost sneezed. So yeah. Good. It's good. Yeah, this is another excellent duck blood noodle. You know, I'm sure a lot of you are going like, what? What do you mean duck blood? That's gross. No, it's not gross. It's not weird. It's not bizarre. It's just something you're not used to. It's like there's all sorts of different cultures in the world, and they eat all sorts of different things. But one thing that's in common, people like stuff that tastes good, and this tastes good. The idea of it might be a little much for you, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this stuff is tasty. Put some seed on it. You know, I'm gonna use black sesame seed. Not just because I'm like low on this kind, but I think it'll set it off a little better. Yeah, you guys were supposed to remind me to get more blonde sesame seeds. How could you not tell me? I think that's about as good as we're gonna get right there. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, this is some pretty seriously premium high-end gourmet stuff from Kung Fu Noodle out of Taiwan. They've also got a braised beef. I love that one. This one's good, but that braised beef noodle is out of sight. I love it. Switching gears completely, we have Neostar Ramen Delight Savory Chicken. This was sent by a guy named James from Lakeside, California. Thank you very much. He sends me noodles all the time, just all sorts of different stuff. So that'll be on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.